Strelitzia reginae is a monocotyledonous flowering plant indigenous to South Africa. Common names include Strelitzia, crane flower or bird of paradise, though these names are also collectively applied to other species in the genus Strelitzia. Its scientific name commemorates Charlotte of Mecklenburg-Strelitz, Queen Consort of the United Kingdom, wife of H.M. King George III. The species is native to South Africa but naturalized in Mexico, Belize, Bangladesh, Madeira Islands and Juan Fernández Islands off the coast of Chile. The plant grows to 2 m tall, with large, strong leaves 25 to 70 cm long and 10 to 30 cm broad, produced on petioles up to 1 meter long. The leaves are evergreen and arranged in 2 ranks, making a fan-shaped crown. The flowers stand above the foliage at the tips of long stalks. The hard, beak-like sheath from which the flower emerges is termed the spathe. This is placed perpendicular to the stem, which gives it the appearance of a bird's head and beak. It makes a durable perch for holding the sunbirds which pollinate the flowers. The flowers, which emerge one at a time from the spathe, consist of 3 brilliant orange sepals and 3 purplish-blue or white petals. 2 of the blue or white petals are joined together to form an arrow-like nectary. When the sunbirds sit to drink the nectar, the petals open to cover their feet in pollen. Cultivation and uses. S. reginae is very popular as an ornamental plant. It was first introduced to Europe in 1773, when it was grown at the Royal Botanic Gardens, Kew. Since then, it has been widely introduced around the world, including the Americas and Australia, growing well in any area that is sunny and warm. In the United States, Florida and California are the main areas of cultivation, due to their warm climate. It is a common ornamental plant in Southern California, and has been chosen as the official flower of the city of Los Angeles. It has gained the Royal Horticultural Society's Award of Garden Merit. It is propagated by division or from seeds, and is a low-maintenance plant that is easy to grow in the garden. It is fairly tolerant of soil conditions and needs little water once established. If cared for well, they will flower several times in a year. They will thrive in rich loamy soil, especially when they get plenty of water throughout the year. They do well in full sun to semi-shade and respond well to regular feeding with a controlled release fertilizer and compost. They are sensitive to cold and need to be sheltered from frost, as it can damage the flowers and leaves. S. reginae is slow-growing and will not bloom until 3 to 5 years have passed since germination. It flowers only when properly established in division of the plant may affect flowering patterns. The flowers are, however, quite long-lasting once they appear. Peak flowering is in the winter and early spring. There is a yellow-flowered cultivar of this plant known as Mandela's gold. The hard, beak-like sheath from which the flower emerges, is called the spathe. This is placed at right angles to the stem, which gives it the appearance of a bird unregistered trademark S-head. The flowers, which emerge one at a time from the spathe, consist of 3 brilliant orange sepals and 3 bright blue petals. 2 of the blue petals are joined together to form an arrow-like nectary. When the birds sit to have a drink of nectar, the petals open to cover their feet with pollen. Allergenic potential. Bird of paradise plants have an OPALS allergy scale rating of 1, and are considered allergy-fighting. They produce no airborne pollen. Symbolism. Bird of paradise flowers are associated with liberty, magnificence and good perspective. Gallery. References. External links. Media related to Strelitzia reginae at Wikimedia Commons. Data related to Strelitzia reginae at Wikispecies. Strelitzia reginae, http, www.floridata.com/regcfm, http, www.readlandsnursery.com or Strelitzia reginae htm.